He wanted to create an empire out of the pieces of the crumbling Zhou dynasty.
And let me show you around the city, the cuisine, the Museum of Terracotta Warrior, and let's explore China in best way possible. It's 11:41 and we can miss our train today, I think so. The train will leave at 12:15. You go? Lanzhou? Okay, okay. We are almost about to reach.
哪里人？
Hindu.
印度啊。
This is the metro. So I think we can use this one itself. But I have to take line 1 or line 6. And where we are going, Terracotta Museum, it's quite far. It's not near. It's like 29 kilometers. So it will take us almost 1 or 2 hours to reach by metro. And I'm going to pick up the coffee. So guys, I use this app. You can see the yellow one. You can use in China for food, to buy grocery. It's like Blinkit, but the better version of Blinkit. And then they give you so many discounts. Like this coffee is just for 20 or 30 rupees that I got on discount. Where is the store? But it's like pick up 100 meters far away from my hotel. Yeah, you see, this is the same building of my hotel and the coffee shop is right here. So let's go and pick. Guys, this is crazy. It's insane. For 20 rupees, China is best. Okay, so this is the store. I hope it's possible. Now, so guys, this is the barcode for my order. मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है कुछ भी चाइनीज़ में, तो ये ऑर्डर को एक्सेप्ट कर रहे थे, तो सही है भाई। मैं इनको बोल देती हूँ ज़्यादा चीनी मत डालना, थोड़ी सी ही डालना। तो अभी हमें बहुत सारे स्टेशन और पार करने हैं। So it's quite far and I will talk to you once I am a little near to the museum. It's very interesting. It's the burial place of the first emperor of China. And the story is so crazy. I think many of you might know already. So, but anyways, let us reach near and then I'll talk to you. So guys, we have finally reached the bus. This is the bus that will go to the museum and we paid 5 yuan. So the taxi was asking me 20, this is 5 and this is just outside the metro station. Quite comfortable. So let's go to Terracotta Museum. And in the outskirts of the city it's more cold. But all good. This jacket that we got today not today, yesterday in China is helping a lot. It was just $5. So cheap and it's functioning very well. भाई हमारी बस चल रही है और थोड़ा सा ही दूर है यहाँ से, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है। ये पूरा ना चाइना का माउंटेन एरिया है, तो पहाड़ी इलाका है एंड यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी ठंड शुरू हो गई है। अभी दूसरे पार्ट जो हैं चाइना के वो थोड़ी गर्म है, बट ये पूरा नॉर्थ ऑफ चाइना की तरफ लगता है। आगे ऊपर मंगोलिया, सेंट्रल एशिया, रशिया पड़ जाता है, तो ऑलरेडी ठंड है यहाँ पे एंड बढ़िया। यहाँ का कल्चर, ट्रेडिशन बहुत रिच है। ये लोग हमारी तरह तड़का मारते हैं खाने में, मसाले खाते हैं, तेल भी ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं। अदर पार्ट ऑफ चाइना नहीं, जैसे साउथ चाइना नहीं, दूसरा एशियन कंट्री जैसे नहीं कि सोया सॉस और विनेगर पे ही डिपेंड हैं, ऐसा नहीं है। ये लोग तड़का भी मारते हैं खाने में। जस्ट लुक हियर हाउ मैनी ग्रुप टूर्स, इज इट नॉट इनसेन? लेट्स गो टू दिस वन फर्स्ट। Oh my goodness, everyone is in group. So many group tours. It's insane. There are 3 pits in this area, and I think the first pit is like where he is buried, the body of the emperor. बट यहाँ पे बोला जाता है कि जो उसकी असली बॉडी है ना, उसको उखाड़ के कभी नहीं देखा है. मतलब टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करके ऐसा पता चला है कि उसका बॉडी यहाँ पे बरी है, ठीक है, मतलब इस जगह में ही उसको दफनाया गया है. बट इन लोगों ने, इवन चाइना ने खुद ऐसे उसको निकाल के बॉडी को ऐसे पूरा देखा नहीं है, या उस पर उसकी बॉडी को रिसर्च नहीं करी है. एंड भाई इसने जब ये 38 का हुआ था तो पूरा चाइना को ऐसे इकट्ठे यूनिफाई करा था, एकता मतलब. एंड अभी भी यार चाइना ना इसी फिलॉसफी में है कि भाई हमें यूनिफाइड चाइना वापस चाहिए, मतलब तिब्बत, ताइवान, ये सारे एरिया भी. तो इसका रीज़न यही है, इस एम्परर की देन है वो. तो जितना मेरे को पता है, क्या पता मैं गलत भी हो सकती हूँ. बाप रे उठा के आइए भाई ये. तो मैं आपको अपनी वीडियोस में ये भी बताती हूँ कि भाई चाइना के लोग ना रूल्स को तोड़ देते हैं कभी कभार, बट यहाँ पे बर्दाश्त करने का वो है थोड़ा, मतलब इतना ज़्यादा भी नहीं करते. तो एनीवेज इस वाले में एंटर करते हैं भाई हम. एंड भाई ये जो चिन राजा था, चिन डायनेस्टी का, इसने 70,000 ऑलमोस्ट फैमिली मेम्बर, आर्मी, सोल्जर, अपने शेफ सबको जिंदा दफना दिया था. कितना क्रूअल भाई, बाप रे. ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन गूगल पे लिखी हुई है, ठीक है, बट चाइना इस चीज़ को, यहाँ पे पोस्टर्स नहीं लगे हुए कि इट वाज अ बैड एक्ट. और I cannot read Chinese much, but nothing is promoted as horrific. But online it says he buried those soldiers alive. Can you imagine? Like thousands of soldiers are buried alongside him to protect him after death. That was the concept. So let me read this for more detailed information before I tell you. So you see, pit 1. Wow. अक्टूबर 1 को पहली बार ये ओपन हुआ था. कौन से सन में हुआ था? 90s का कोई ईयर था भाई, ठीक है. भाई ये इन लोगों के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट जगह है, मैं आप लोगों को बता नहीं सकती हूँ. एंड इसको 8th वंडर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड भी बोलते हैं. एंड या दैट्स इट. सो एंड ऐसे यहाँ पे किसी बोर्ड पे लिखा नहीं हुआ यार, हेयर इन द म्यूजियम दे हैव नॉट मेंशन दैट ही वाज बuried alive like all the soldiers, but online it is mentioned. It's not mentioned here. Very strange. So oh my goodness, everyone is running, guys. Jesus Christ, everyone is running to see this. Guys, whole of China is like so like they have so many feelings toward this thing. What to say? Everyone is so happy. Let me show you, but there is no space. Literally there is no space. Wow, no space to see. Guys, I'm literally seeing the place and it's insane. Oh my goodness. Let me flip the camera, okay? It looks like wow. Just look at this, guys. This is one of the 8 wonders of the world. These soldiers, they are not real, of course. It's for tourists to understand all these soldiers. But inside, the emperor, he buried the real ones. Oh my goodness, guys. Whoa. You see, there is the security, the police. They don't even allow you to go here. And the whole area is full with people. Wow, guys. एंड जो इस जगह दफनाए थे ना उसने भाई, इन सब के पास वेपन्स हैं, ठीक है, ब्रॉन्ज के वेपन्स हैं और इट्स ह्यूज. So guys, this side is the better view and let me show you in more details. Wow, these ones are replica, but I cannot even imagine how the alive ones looks like they were almost tortured. Jesus, it's evil actually, to be honest, but yeah. And they have not mentioned anywhere that they were buried alive, which is quite strange. Wow. And pit 1 also is the largest pit for the burial site. There are 2 more pits that have been found. Who knows, maybe there will be more than 3 pits, but only 3 pits have been found and access for tourists and converted to museum. And you can see guys, the security is very strict. यहाँ पे देखिए बोला भी गया है कि भाई no crossing, violators must be punished. और ना ऑनलाइन लिखा हुआ था कि भाई एक बार ना किसी अमेरिकन टूरिस्ट ही ट्राइड टू स्टोल द थंब एंड ही डिड इट एंड समथिंग हैपेंड टू हिम. सो क्रेजी. ये देखिए, ये लोग अभी भी रिसर्च कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है, मतलब अभी भी पूरा काम नहीं ख़त्म हुआ है. द वर्क इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन. Imagine guys, burial site being so huge that the work is going on even now. They are still researching.
以前是有兵器的。当年西蜀霸王项羽四处打听消息，打听到了1号坑和2号坑的主通道，把兵器全部夺走了。临走的时候呢，还把兵马俑全部推倒在地。以前的兵马是怎么放置呢？下面呢是兵马俑。
Oh wow, this is in depth. और यार बाहर ये भी लिखा हुआ है कि ये वाली जो पिट नंबर 3 है ना, ये डैमेज हो गई थी. यहाँ पे देखिए ये सब दिखा रहे हैं कि कैसे कैसे बरी था. मेरे को एक मिनट ब्राइटनेस कम करनी पड़ेगी. इधर देखिए यार, पिट नंबर 3 का वो दे रखा है स्क्रीन पे डिस्क्रिप्शन. तो यहाँ पे घोड़ों को कैसे बरी करा था, सोल्जर्स को कैसे बरी करा था, और ये टेराकोटा आर्मी का कमांड सेंटर एरिया था. आप लोग पूरा देख सकते हैं. गजब भाई, अलग ही सीन चल रहा है. हैं? सही है. टेराकोटा आर्मी. इस तरफ देखिए यार, हम लोग पिट को देखने के लिए आ रखे हैं. जैसा मैंने बोला कि ये पिट नंबर 3 है, बट इन लोगों ने रीज़न नहीं दिया हुआ यार ये डिस्ट्रॉय क्यों हुई है. सो दे हैव नॉट मेंशन्ड द रीज़न ऑन द स्क्रीन, बट यू सी दिस हैज़ बीन डिस्ट्रॉयड.
이렇게 나왔다고.
Wow, and it's a very smaller pit, not too big.
저희 그 사이 이렇게 파고냈다고 지금. 이게
Nice. Oh, I can see horses now.
돼 있다고.
You see, these are the horses.
저쪽 가서 지금 하는 거.
And this was pit number 3. So wow, I am shocked by the crowd. Jesus, this is insane. Like so many Chinese people want to see this place. You can imagine. Whoa. And even tourist holidays have finished. You know, this is not the time for them to be on the tourist holiday. So I'm hungry also, have not eaten anything since morning. We are entering pit number 2. Let's go. Oh, this pit have no description. It's just a pit and it's bigger than the third one but smaller than the first one. Wow, my goodness. If you guys are coming to China, please visit this place. I think it's worth it for one day. So you see, first thing impressed me, they are still working on this. The research is going on. In this side they have not made any fake replica or statues. This one is mostly empty. Only pit number 1 have fake statues to display how is the situation beneath the ground. This one is empty, most of the side. You see, all of it is empty. So guys, for this one, there is no description that what happened. There is only photos of what they found by survey. So just every screen have the photos what they found when they were digging in. Chariots being excavated. Okay, they have found these chariots. You see, this is like the wheel and some parts. Probably in this area. Yeah, right there. So that's it. Second pit have just the description of what has been found. यहाँ से कुछ किलोमीटर दूर एक पैलेस भी है जो कि तांग डायनेस्टी का है, जो मैं इस बार नहीं जा रही हूँ क्योंकि इस वीडियो में फिर वो बहुत ज़्यादा हिस्टोरिक लेसन हो जाएगा। अब हम चल के इस सिटी का, शान सिटी का लोकल कुजीन ट्राई करते हैं जो कि बहुत यूनिक है। ये लोग सिचुआन पेपर यूज़ करते हैं बट नॉट सो स्पाइसी लाइक सिचुआन प्रोविंस, बट यहाँ के लोग भी भाई बहुत ज़्यादा मिर्च मसाले और तेल खाते हैं, तो वो कुजीन हम ट्राई करेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने एक ये नूडल सूप खाया है, मैं उसका वीडियो अटैच कर देती हूँ यहाँ पे। एंड अच्छा था, ठीक था, इतना स्पाइसी नहीं था। सिचुआन में ज़्यादा मिर्ची है, जब चोंगचिंग एरिया जाएंगे वहाँ पे ज़्यादा तीखा खाना बनता है। एंड दैट्स इट, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एग्जिट and go back to city. We are not going to the palace, it's too much of history lesson if I go there. And it was a nice day in one of the most important city, Shan. So let's go. पूरा सिटी ना पहाड़ों से सराउंडेड है, तो पूरा ये माउंटेन एरिया है एंड बहुत खूबसूरत, so cool. So guys, at the exit they have a shopping center. You can eat, buy stuff, whatever you need, but of course a little expensive than the normal markets. So yeah, we are not buying today anything and we are just heading to see the bus. But there are so many shops with so many juice and options. भाई चाइना इतना कंफर्टेबल है ना और इतना सस्ता है ना घूमने फिरने के लिए, और क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ सिस्टम सब बहुत मस्त है। तो यार आप लोग देखिए, यहाँ से डायरेक्ट हमें बस मिली है, ठीक है, एंड सामने मेट्रो स्टेशन है। हमें कुछ किचकिच कहीं नहीं जाना, सब कुछ आसपास है, और 50 रुपये 80 रुपये ऐसे टिकट है। और ये देखिए यार, गांव के लोगों की लाइफस्टाइल मैं आप लोगों को दिखाती हूँ। ये लोग क्या है, आसपास के गांव में रहते हैं, फिर ये लोग अपनी स्कूटर या बाइक वगैरह लेके ना फल फ्रूट शहरों में बेचने के लिए आते हैं। ये कितना मस्त सिस्टम है भाई इसकी गाड़ी। ओ स्वीट पोटैटो आई वांट टू बाय। यहाँ Uh, uh,
看，
how much?
对，
Yeah. And
10块一斤成斤。
one.
啊，一个。 7块7元。
हो ओके ओके ओके। ये देखिए यार, ये लोग गाँव से आए हैं आसपास। दीज आर फ्रॉम द विलेज एंड दे आर सेलिंग fruits and fresh potatoes. Let me pay him. I will stop the video. So guys, I came back to the hotel and it's almost night, and when I came back it was dark already because of the cold winter. And I'm trying the local cuisine of Shan City. I think it's one of my favorite cuisine that I love to eat already. The flavor, the spices is top notch. And let me show you. Whoa, this is the dry noodle that I have ordered today. And see all the chili, all the pepper. This is like bean curd, so it's also vegetarian, and some leaf, and there is a little bit of soya sauce. Whoa, this is epic. And I also have cucumber salad with peanut, and again so good, with some Sichuan chili pepper sauce. Guys, usually I hesitate to try local cuisine in many countries because they don't make vegetarian very good. But in China, they go out of the way to help you out with your favorite food that you choose. It's all vegetarian. And this is not a special place. It's mixed. They have pork and beef, everything. But they made vegetarian just for me. Whoa, man, I love the colors of the food. So I'm making a very little detailed video of me trying the cuisine of this part of China. And I just took the fork because this noodle is so sticky and I'm not so good with chopsticks. Whoa, it's my first bite. It looks totally red. You can see like so much pepper. So much pepper. Whoa. I think I need more pepper. This is not too much for me. Let me put more. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Wow, guys. Vegetarian food in China, top notch. Let us try the cucumber salad. Oh, it's sour, a hint of sweet and spicy. Ooh. Oh. Guys, let me enjoy my food. I'll talk to you guys later. So I'm eating now. It's good morning. Yesterday after my dinner, I just slept off. Literally, I slept off. And now I woke up and I'm late again. Imagine. I have a train to more north of China, not on the Mongolian side, but quite near to the Tibet or Central Asia side, you can say. And we are going to take metro and reach railway station. So today we have a train journey, and then tomorrow we will be exploring that region. It's, I think, beautiful, amazing, near Xinjiang. But I'm not going to Xinjiang actually this time, maybe next time. So, because my visa will be over already, I'm already so many days in China enjoying. So, anyways, let's go fast. I don't want to miss my train. Actually, there are so many trains throughout the day. I will get a new one, but then money will be wasted, so it's not good. And I think I have a dead skin here, but we are running late right now. Let's go. I think I live like Chinese people now. Jesus, I get late every time for the trains. Whoa. It's almost 11:31 and my train will go at 12:15. I'm very late actually. I still have 2 more stations, then I have to transfer another metro, then I have 4 more stations. So total 6 more stations. And the train goes at 12:15. I don't know if I can make it today or not. I'm near to the second metro that I have to take. It's 11:41 and we can miss our train today, I think so. I'm running in stations today. I swear to God, I'm running. My goodness, the train will leave at 12:15. And I have to find the gate. I have to go through security. We are too late. Whew. Guys, it's 11:53 and I'm running today on station, and there are some more people who are running also. Oh, they are also running, they are late. My goodness, I swear to God, it's 11:53 already and I'm not inside the main train station. Ooh. 15, yeah? Okay. Shishay. Guys, let's see if we can make it or not. It's platform number 15. My goodness. Why I'm running. Wow. You know, the officers, they saw that I'm so late. They were walking with me and showing me the gate. Oh, I'm too late. It's already 12. Let's go. At 12:15 it will leave the station. So logically we only have 10 minutes. Jesus. Oh, guys, we made it. Oh my goodness, I'm just going near the train. Usually Indian people, they are 2 hours fast to train and flights, but I think maybe I'm not Indian. I'm always late to airports, train and buses, always. Oh my goodness, we made it. This is our train. Now we have to go to car 13. So let's go. Run. 650 kilometers at least, I think, for the place where I'm going. So let's keep trying. Oh, I'm exhausted. I've not eaten. Hungry. everything all at once. These grandmas also, they came running with me. Hello, how are you? Good? You go? Lanzhou? Okay, okay. So we are almost about to reach.
哪里人？
印度，
印度啊。
印度啊。哦。哦。Guys, I'm so hungry. I swear to God.
看一下到哪上？
好，
去哪里？去哪里？兰州。
兰州，兰州。
其实我想冒一句英语，我害怕我发音不标准。还印度的。啊哦，好好。等一下，
谢谢。So this is the sitting area. Our seat is 65.
顾客搜的是2999，你咋能有个1800多多？
You can see not even 1 minute late today. So, and I reached here at 12:07 or 12:06. Imagine if I would have came now. It was gone already. भाई शाम के 6 बज गए हैं और चाइना को जो यार ये वाला हिस्सा है नॉर्थ ऑफ चाइना, भाई बहुत मतलब एडवेंचर भरी जगह दिख रही है। पहाड़ नदियाँ, हर पहाड़ से भाई नदी झरने निकल रहे हैं और पूरा गांव का इलाका है। फार्मिंग चल रही है यार, ठंड हो रखी है, इतना मतलब रूरल एरिया है। मैंने नहीं एक्सपेक्ट करा था कि ये भाई बिल्कुल पूरा एडवेंचर हो जाएगा। ये एक ट्रेन जा रही है ऐसे, अरे पूरे गांव के गांव दिख रहे हैं यार। बारिश से मैं आपको क्या बताऊं, देखिए ये देखिए सामने कैसे पूरा खेती बाड़ी चल रही है। देखिए गांव आ गया, वाओ भाई गांव ही गांव है, छोटे छोटे घर एंड इट्स लुक्स गुड। और इस रीजन का यार खाना भी बहुत मस्त है वैसे सच में। ये देखिए फिर से गांव आ गए, पूरा मतलब नेचुरल एरिया है ये, बढ़िया। Guys, I have reached Lanzhou and in the whole station I am the only tourist. So there is some announcement going on. Okay. So I know some people come here for adventure and documentary. Xinjiang is very near also, and it's a controversial area, but not a big tourism. Like in whole train station, I'm the only tourist, like only outsider. Everybody is local, and I don't even see much of Chinese people also who are from different cities. Everyone to me is looking kind of like a local of these areas, which is insane. Wow. Because in Shanghai, Shenzhen, those cities I cannot, you cannot really judge who is from where. Everyone is mixed, different, but here it's very local. I'm so happy, but anyways, I will end this video right here. I'm going to the hotel and I will eat first meal of the day today at 8 p.m. First meal. So traveling is not always easy. So I did not got a chance to eat food, but anyways, it's okay. and welcome to the mountain region of China, to the north of China. And we will continue this series from another vlogs.